Thanks for joining us for this edition of Inside Education. I'm your host, Mitch Truswell. Well, careers in science, technology, engineering, and math, also known as STEM careers, are among the fastest growing in Nevada and nationwide. Many require specialized training and skills, training that may be offered in high school. Well, here on Inside Education, we've shown you many examples of the benefits students receive by taking part in a career in technical or a magnet program. The focus study programs can give students skills that not only put them ahead of traditional high school students, but in many cases give them the option to put those skills to work right after high school on a full-time or a part-time basis if they want to attend college. This week, we're looking at the Biotechnology program at West Career and Technical Academy.
I'm looking at living organisms right now, and I'm dissecting them, it's so interesting.
Juliette Demergue has been passionate about science since middle school. That's what led her to the Biotechnology program at West Career and Technical Academy. Every student you see in this lab is a senior working on their capstone project, which, when complete, will represent about 2 years' worth of work.
So you put bacteria on them, let the bacteria dry, and then put the chunks in.
Juliette's research is looking into the effect gluten has on microscopic worms known as C. elegans. One of her classmates, Nicholas Rupason, is researching the effect cannabinoids, or CBD, have on those same microscopic worms. Both students say the hands-on experiments using industry-grade equipment is vital to their learning.
When I was applying here, my first thought was, what will give me the most time in the lab and what will allow me to pursue any experiments I want to learn more about.
I think that a lot of people are hands-on learners, and it's very valuable that we have these opportunities to actually apply what biotechnology is.
Before they graduate, Juliette and Nicholas, like all seniors in the program, will need to present an oral defense of their research and also prepare a 15-page thesis.
So what's really great about this program is the access that we have to equipment that a lot of high schools don't have.
Andrea McKinney is the biotech program leader. She has a master's degree in biotechnology. Before she was a teacher, she was a researcher at what was the Nevada Cancer Institute.
So these students are getting to do techniques like micropipetting and DNA electrophoresis and things that I didn't get to do till my junior year of college, even though I was a biochemistry, biotechnology major.
Spending so much time in the lab while in high school will also benefit students who seek a laboratory job while they attend college.
Our students are a much higher percentage getting into the labs a lot earlier than most students are, because most students coming into these don't have these skills until they go through the college courses that use this equipment. So my students are already coming in having used the equipment.
About 90% of McKinney's students go on to college. Not all are pursuing a career in the lab. Some students are pre-med or pursuing dentistry, pharmacy, or biotech as it relates to agricultural applications. The biotech program at West Career and Technical Academy is the district's only 4-year biotech program. According to McKinney, about 38 freshmen were admitted to the program this year. About 70 students applied. Also, about 90% of graduating seniors will go on to college, and about 1/4 of those, according to McKinney, will work in a lab, using the skills they've learned in high school when they attend college.